Hi there, my name's Joel. I'm a solicitor here at Latitude Law, and I'm going to be answering the question about how you can become British by birth and whether or not you will be British by descent or otherwise than by descent. So the simplest category is people who are born inside the UK to British or settled parents. Those people are British automatically from birth, and they are British otherwise than by descent. If you're born inside the UK to non-British, non-settled parents, you won't be born British, but if either of your parents obtains settlement, that's indefinite leave to remain, or becomes British, you will be entitled to register as a British citizen if you're under the age of 18. So very straightforward application. If you're born outside of the UK, there are a few more categories that you just need to be careful of. So first of all, someone born outside of the UK to a British parent who is British otherwise than by descent. That person is British by descent. They get their British citizenship by descent from their parent. If you're born outside the UK to a settled parent, someone with indefinite leave to remain, you will not be a British citizen. If you're born outside the UK to a British citizen parent, but that parent is British by descent, so they were also born outside the UK, you will not be automatically British. However, depending on whether or not your parent has spent time in the UK, you might be eligible to register as British. The key thing is whether or not your British parent has spent 3 continuous years inside the UK at any time prior to the birth of the child, or whether or not the child and the parent have spent 3 continuous years inside the UK, obviously after the child was born. If either of those conditions are met, the child can register as British, again though they will be British by descent. So those are the ways that you can become British or be British by birth. You need to check whether or not your parents were British by descent or otherwise than by descent. And of course, if you're not sure, please do get in touch. We'd be very happy to help you. And if you've got any other immigration questions, do subscribe and you'll see the other videos available to you. Thanks.